point, you should have signed up on Desmos with your City Academy account. Um, and if your name isn't popping up, please send me a message. Let me know if you got stuck, or if you just skipped the video, please go back up to the one above it so you know how to sign up. All right. So the first thing I want to do is give my graph a title, right? So let me do that again. That was pretty fast. We go over here and it says untitled graph. Nah, we got to name it. We need, like, we're going to have tables and graphs all over the place if we don't name things, right? So we're going to click on it. This should pop up. It says save this graph. Well, I'm going to title this just example table, okay? So today I'm going to show you how we can make a table using this program, okay? I just hit enter, or you can click on save. And look, it says example table. Okay, there's like little sections here that you can click on. I'm gonna go ahead and just click on the first one, and you'll know you've clicked it because it's all highlighted in like a blue, or sometimes it's different colors, and later on you can choose colors, and I'll show you how to do that. But I want to make a table, so I'm gonna literally just type in table, and this should pop up automatically. So let me do that again down here. I'm going to just type in table, and I get a table. And if you notice, one of the tables is in red, and the other one is purple. And another way to distinguish between the tables is that the number here, you can see that there's like a little subscript. So you have x1, y1. Then we also have x2, y2. Okay. Now, I want to change this one. So I got to click on it, but I got to be careful and make sure that I'm not clicking up here. I want to see the little blinker right next to my 1. And I'm going to change that and call it scale factor. Okay. I can click on the next one. No space. Obviously, when I put in a space, it kind of messed it up. And over here, I'm just going to put perimeter. And I'm going to put a perimeter 1 because I'm going to put in 2 sets of data. And I'm not going to put a whole ton of points here. Okay? And I'll repeat the same process on the next one below. And I'll go a little bit slower too. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And let's say my area was 4. Okay, then it's going to be 8. Then it's going to be 12. And then 16. Okay. Notice that as I put in these numbers over here, it starts to form some dots. Okay. And notice that they're red. Right? So my perimeter 1 is now marked here in red. X2. I want to go fix this one up. Okay. So X2, I want to click right next to that little tiny 2. Let me do that again. Click out of it, click back in. I'm going to go right next to that 2. Click it. Backspace, and I'm going to put scale factor. And I'm going to put scale factor 2 because I don't want to duplicate the names, okay? I want to make sure I have different names, okay? And over here, I'm going to put, again, perimeter 2, okay? And again, I want to do the same thing, 1, 2, 3, 4. And I did that so fast, and I'll do it again so you can see it. All I did was put in my number, then I hit enter. Put in my number, hit enter. Number, hit enter. Enter, jeez. And number, enter. Okay, now I put in those. And it's okay if you have extras. I mean, just, you're going to put in the information you have, okay? So perimeter 2, let's say this one was a little bit different. And let's say it was with 2. had a perimeter of 2 for some reason, and then it went 4, then 6, and then 8. And you can see now that I have 2 different sets of data. One of them is in red, and the other one is in purple. Okay? So that's how we make tables and kind of get them on a grid using this program. Okay? So there's the grid, there's your tables. All right. So if there was anything that was confusing about this or I went too fast, you can always replay it, watch it again, or just shoot me a message, let me know how I can help. All right. And I'll catch you on the next one.